Did you know? The pectinate claw. Feather quality is very important for a bird's survival. Feathers provide insulation and they enable flight for birds. Birds have to keep their feathers in top condition. And this little tern is preening to keep its feathers in top condition. And this Goliath heron's also preening. So birds spend a lot of their time preening, but it is tricky to reach feathers around the face. So birds have to rely on other birds of their species to preen their neck and head area. This green woodoo is preening her mate. Some birds have evolved a special tool to allow them to do this preening themselves. A few species have a built-in comb called a pectinate claw, like this fiery-necked nightjar's claw. This claw is on the middle talon on one or both feet. It appears as a fringe along the claw with many notches along it, like a comb. Only a few species of birds have these pectinate claws. Species that have them are herons and egrets, bitterns and grebes, cormorants and terns, frigate birds and nightjars, and barn owls. Another theory is that pectinate claws help with the removal of ectoparasites.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and post any comments you have down below.